am making mini gingerbread farmhouses, which are a little puffier and softer than your average gingerbread foundation, so they're good for both building and eating. You get the best of both worlds. For the cookie dough, I'll start with my dry ingredients. I have 6 cups of all-purpose flour in my big bowl here. Of course, you have to have ginger. I'll add 4 teaspoons, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon each of ground cloves and freshly grated nutmeg. For my leaveners, I've got 1 teaspoon of baking soda in here and also 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I'll season with a teaspoon of salt. I'll whisk this to both combine and also waft some smells up into my nose. My dry ingredients are well combined. I have 1.5 cups of softened unsalted butter. I'll combine it with 1.5 cups of dark brown sugar. I'll get this on my stand mixer and beat it for a couple of minutes until it's pale and fluffy. I'll crack in my 2 eggs, one at a time, just to ensure that they're incorporating smoothly. I'll eyeball in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then necessary ingredient for any gingerbread, molasses. I'm adding 1 cup. You see those dark, sweet notes, that gorgeous dark brown signature gingerbread color. I'll gradually add my dry ingredients. I'll divide my dough in half. It'll make it easier to roll out and cut out my shape. And then stick these in the fridge to firm up for an hour. My dough is chilled and I'm ready to roll. My counter is dusted with flour to make sure that the dough doesn't stick. Dust the top with some flour. And then I'll roll this out until it's a 1/4 inch thick. Okay, this looks great. I've got my cookie cutter here. It's a 3-inch square, and I'm gonna use squares for both the sides of the house as well as the roof. I will transfer these now to my baking sheets and then bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes until they're slightly puffed and a little bit browned on the bottom. And while they bake, I'll grab my mom to help me decorate. Grammy Jody is here, the cookies are cooled, and we're ready to decorate. So we're gonna build 2 mini farmhouses. You have 2 piping bags.
Okay.
The white one is royal icing. That is the glue that is gonna hold the houses together. You just whip egg whites until they're frothy and starting to turn white, then add loads of powdered sugar and put it in piping bags fitted with brown tips, sealed away from the air so that it doesn't dry out. So we'll first get the roof going. I'll pipe a fat line of royal icing along the edge and then stick on another piece for the roof. And then we'll let this set. You can get going on the walls and then add 2 more walls.
It's really nice.
We can decorate a few to eat, but royal icing is not that great to eat. So we also have classic American buttercream.
Oh, so we can decorate them and eat them now?
Yeah.
What? This is so good.
All right, let's build.
Okay.
To finish these off, we'll attach our roofs and decorate with an assortment of candies.
This is so much fun. This brings back such great memories.
That's beautiful. Dun, da, da, da.
Ta-da! Why, thank you.
Every gingerbread house needs a snowstorm of shredded coconut. Merry Christmas to us.
Merry Christmas.
And may a vacuum cleaner come down the chimney.